Alright, so here we have the four electromagnetic brake systems from a forklift. These are used for the parking brake, so when you disconnect the power, the brake is applied. So I took the mechanisms out and I just repotted the inside here where the coil winding is. And I have it hooked up to a 18 volt Ryobi battery. So this here corresponds, because these are activated by 18 volts. I have a momentary switch right here. So as you can see, there's no power at all. And then I hit the power and it's on there. So no power, power. So the only thing left to do is cut a 4-inch by 1/2 inch piece of steel for the center insert here, and then I'll weld it in. That way it gives more surface area here, because as the coils are wrapped around here, if I fill this void in here in the center with solid steel, then this entire centerpiece will become the magnet. And then these magnets I'm going to be mounting underneath my workbench. There's 4 of them, so I'm going to have them across the entire workbench. So I'll have certain sections where I'll just flick a switch and the surface of that area, the workbench, will become magnetized. So I could have the entire thing set up so I could do welding and cutting and grinding without having to use a vise or move a vise along with these holes to individual spots. I'll just be able to pick anywhere on the workbench and flick a switch and it will be energized. So again, I'll just show you. Oops. So there we go. So you can see it actually has a lot of pulling power there. And this is a small piece of metal. If I was to pick something with more surface area, like this big piece of steel here, once I energize it, it will hold even better. So that's why I'm going to be putting the 4-inch by 1/2 inch piece of metal in here and welding it in there, so then it will give you more surface area. So I'm just going to take some scrap steel. I already cut the circle out, so I'm going to cut that out, stack them, and weld them inside. And that's it. There you go.